Golden egg tofu with minced pork is a tasty and easy dish that many people enjoy at home. It is made with soft egg tofu, which has a smooth and silky texture, and minced pork that is cooked with garlic, soy sauce, and other simple seasonings. The tofu is lightly fried, then topped with the flavorful pork mixture. This dish is simple and easy to make, and uses basic ingredients, making it perfect for a quick and comforting meal. Golden egg tofu with minced pork is a soft, tasty dish that's easy to make. It combines smooth egg tofu with flavorful pork, cooked in simple seasonings. It tastes great with a bowl rice and can be enjoyed by yourself or with the whole family. Whether you're cooking a quick weeknight dinner or a more elaborate meal, egg tofu with minced pork delivers satisfying flavor with minimal effort. Any recommended dishes or similar dishes you want to learn how to cook, just comment below. Thank you for watching my channel. Track me down. Don't forget to like and subscribe.